Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to pay bills internationally? Today I'm going to show you how to pay bills using Wise. First of all, open the Wise app or visit wise.com. Then log into your account. Now tap on send money to start your payment. Now enter the billing company's details or recipients details. This could be their bank account, IBAN, or Wise email if they use Wise. Next, enter the amount you want to need to pay and choose the right currency if you are paying internationally. Choose how you want to pay: bank transfer, debit card, credit card, or Wise balance. Double check all details, then hit confirm or send. Wise will handle the rest and notify you when the payment is completed. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.